So we're Architecture Doing Place, and we focus on social housing and arts projects, but particularly we also focus on any projects to do with urban design. So we're confirmed urbanists, and we're really interested in any sort of projects that define the urban space for communities that live in them. When we were invited for the charrette, we were particularly interested in also working with a manufacturer to create a structure that could benefit the community, but using their product and using their modules. We looked at using the Finsa product to investigate and interrogate how public space was used. It was an interesting material to work with because it's a very dense material that we wanted to use as a structural solution as well that would limit our need to have an additional structure. We'll be really happy if young people come and take ownership of it and customize it in any way they want and take ownership of it and make it their own as well.
The museum's mission is to help the public better engage with architecture. This year, we were asked by the Council of Royal Kensington and Chelsea to help them build a pavilion, the Portobello Pavilion. And as you can see, right behind us, which is being built right now, is Architecture Doing Place, who was chosen as the final architect to take on this challenge.
So Finsa has been engaging in this project together with Museum of Architecture and Kensington and Chelsea Borough Council. And for the construction of the Portobello Pavilion, they have used our Superpan P6, where we built all these boxes that you can see on the background, and the architects, which are Architects Doing Place, they have built all these fantastic pavilions. So come and visit the pavilion next week with the London Design Fair and enjoy.